Hey guys, I am Sneha and you are watching my channel Book Junction. Welcome to another brand new video. In today's video, I have the Neorah Accomplish planner for 2022 and it's a no-nonsense planner, and I will talk more about what it means in the video. But let me first tell you how much time the brand has spent in researching about planners and what are the things that you exactly need. And this planner has been tested by people from different professions and specialities. They have tested it, shared their feedback with the brand, and they have incorporated all those ideas and feedbacks into making the best planner for you. Also, the thing that I loved about this planner is that it is a no wastage planner. They have not wasted any page for cheesy quotes and cheesy lines that are absolutely unnecessary, and they have not wasted any space in the sticker page as well. So overall, when I saw the planner, I realized that really they have not wasted any resource in making this planner, and you can use this planner from the start to the end completely. Like, you won't waste even a little bit of space in this whole entire planner, and I really appreciate that. Another thing that I absolutely admire about this planner is that there is so much space for you throughout the planner to write everything. There are a lot of things that you can incorporate in a planner, but are those things really necessary? Are you going to use them throughout the year? Maybe not. And that is something that I love in the planner. They have provided you all those things that are absolutely necessary for you, and you can use them throughout the year. So yes, this planner is definitely a no-nonsense planner without wasting any paper on cheesy quotes or cheesy lines that really don't make sense after a certain point. And I loved that, and it's so professional, it's so put together. And when you use this, like when you open the planner itself, it gives you a really productive vibe. Like, I cannot possibly put it into words, but like genuinely I'm saying this, that when you look at this planner, it has no distractions whatsoever. It is all about, okay, these are the things that you need to do, these are the things that you need to write, and it has everything. So that's something I really appreciate, that you're not going to get distracted with a lot of unnecessary things. So yes, that is something that I love. Also, this planner comes in multiple different colors, and all the colors are so eye pleasing. I went for the light blue color and it's so beautiful. I love the color and the finish of the planner. I will talk about every aspect of the planner and I'll show you the entire thing, and I really hope that you will enjoy watching this video. The link of their website and the Amazon link to the planner will be given in the description box. So if you want to make a purchase, you can do that from the link given in the description box. So this is how you are going to receive your planner. This is the packaging. I loved it. It's very sturdy, and the packaging is such that it will make sure that your planner doesn't get ruined in transit. Now your planner will come inside this cardboard box, and the box is so beautiful. It's in this light pastel shade, and you have their branding over it, but everything is just so subtle and minimal. You can use this box to store your stickers or anything else. You can also store your planner inside this. The very first element inside the box is this blue color pen holder, and I loved it that they gave it separately, because a lot of people don't like a pen holder. So if you like it, you can just peel the sticker off and stick it at the very end of the planner. Then we have this thank you card. All their products are proudly made in India and they are handmade. Next, we have this card where you get to read their story. I really liked their effort to put across their story, and I think it's always a great idea to know more about the brand so you can connect with them well. Moving on, then we have these stickers, and I love the color scheme. It has a metallic vibe to it. So it's very glossy, very beautiful, and I also love the part that there's not much free space left between stickers, so you aren't wasting a lot of paper, like, because everything that you get in this box, you're paying for that. So they have minimized wastage as much as possible, so you can get the most out of what you are spending. Now this is something that I absolutely love. This is the planner user guide. and inside this user guide they have shown you how you are supposed to use a planner. So if you are a complete newbie, if you have no idea how to use a vision board, how to go about a planner, they have guided you throughout it. So I think this effort that they have taken, I am like in complete awe of this, because trust me, no one does this. So inside they have shown you exactly how you're going to plan, how you're going to use the goals section. They have given you some notes, and they have basically taken you through the whole experience of planning, and they teach you how to plan, so that when you actually start your planner, you have a structure in your mind. So this is something that I really love, and I personally learned a lot from this user guide as well. Now, of course, it's not like you have to follow everything that's inside this guide, but this is like it's like a blueprint. It's like a rough draft that, okay, this is how you're supposed to use the passion tracker and different spreads inside this planner. So highly appreciate this, and this is going to come handy for you, trust me, because even though I have used a planner throughout 2021, even I found this useful. So I'm sure that if you are a beginner, then you will definitely find this useful. Now this is the inside packaging, and here is the planner. As you can see, the color is so beautiful. Like, I never imagined the color will look this pretty, and the embossing of Accomplish over the planner cover, it's so subtle, it's so minimal, yet it's so polished, and it gives you a very elegant and sophisticated vibe. The band over here, its quality is something that you will understand the moment you touch it. It's so smooth, it's made out of silk product, and the whole planner is so premium. The moment you hold the planner, you will understand the quality. So this is the page where you write your name. You can doodle anything as well. It's completely it completely depends on your creativity. Then over here you can write down some important contacts and important dates, your name, your address, basic stuff. And then over here you have your vision board. There is so much space. They have already guided you how you can use this part with manifestation mantra, etc. So you can doodle stuff, you can use the stickers here. Then we have this monthly overview. So you get a spread like this for every month from Jan to December. This is like just an overview. So this is a glimpse of the entire month, and you can plan your months here in advance before going to particular weeks of the month. After the monthly overview, now we have this spread for every week. So there is this section for goals, things to do, habit tracker, so you can track your habit for a particular week over here. And there's a lot of space to write down your tasks as well. You can write down what you have accomplished, what you are learning, and what you are grateful for. So I think this is going to come handy. There's a lot of space. I also love the grid that they have provided. It's so much more easier to write stuff. And after every week you will get 2 pages for notes. So whatever you have written in the week section for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you can then break it down in the notes section and write more information, so it's easier for you to plan stuff. Then we have this income and expenses spread. This is my favorite. This is amazing. So you get an income and expenses spread for every month. You have the date, item, inward, outward, balance, and then you have the what you have saved, what you have spent, and how much money you are taking forward in the next month. So this is so useful, and you can use this for planning your income and expenses. I particularly love this part, and it's very formal, it's very professional. So yeah, I loved it. Then you have the contacts page. You can write some contacts, website, username. This is super useful because I tend to forget my passwords a lot, so this is going to come really handy, and especially for bank or online banking as well. then some birthdays and anniversaries, and then we have this passion tracker. They have guided you in the guide how to use that. And finally the year in review, where you can just review your whole year. And yeah, I really hope that you have a wonderful year ahead. And this is the last part. Here you have this compartment where you can store the stickers. So overall, this is the planner, and what I love the most about this planner is that it has zero distractions. The moment you start this planner, you will be in productive mode. There is no distraction inside this planner. It's all about being formal, getting your work done, and it has everything that you need. So I really loved the planner, and there are 3 bookmarks inside this as well, and the length of the bookmarks, that's also perfect. So yes, this planner has everything that you need, and the quality is so premium. The moment you hold this planner in your hand, you will get in the mood to get your goals accomplished, and that's why the name of the planner is Accomplish. So I highly recommend you guys getting this planner, and the branding is also so minimal and subtle. So if you are into minimalistic stuff, then you will definitely enjoy using this planner. Alright guys, so that was all for today's video. I really hope that you loved the planner and you enjoyed watching this video as well. If you did, then definitely consider subscribing if you haven't already. And if you have any questions or anything that you would want me to know, then you can write it in the comment section. Also, if you liked this video, then definitely give this video a thumbs up, and definitely click on the bell icon as well, so you get all the future notifications. And I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.